What are spoken tutorials? It's a portal which provides a series of recorded short video lectures on various topics in various regional languages of India. It is to be noted that these topics need not necessarily be limited to only those pertaining to software. It can be topics such as health and nutrition or instructions on how to book a train ticket, for example. In addition to the short video lectures, spoken tutorials also have forums for the various courses being offered, offer training programs for faculty and students, and tests for certification as well. Now let us visit the Spoken Tutorials portal. Here you can see that you have a list of all the courses they offer and the languages they offer them in. We will now select a course, say Python, and a language, English, and click on search. The first items you see highlighted here are the instruction sheet, the installation sheet, and brochures. The brochure gives a general overview of the course. The installation sheet provides step-by-step instructions needed to set up all the required software hardware for the course. The instructions provide a step-by-step guidelines for the participant of the course on how to use the practice exercises and use the tutorials on various operating systems. Below this, we see the various tutorials. Each item in this list has a short description of what the tutorial is about and its targeted difficulty level: basic, intermediate, or advanced. Clicking on this takes us to the spoken tutorial. Now let us look at a specific spoken tutorial. Say the one on basic matrix operations. Here you see the video, which is the spoken tutorial itself. To its right you see the various questions posted on the forum. You can post your own questions to the forums as well. Below this you have the prerequisite for this spoken tutorial, which in this case says that you should have completed image manipulation using arrays before you try to learn using this tutorial. You also have an assignment for you to try out the transcript of the video and the slides used in the video as well. This concludes our short introduction to spoken tutorials and its functionality.